Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to unlock iPhone locked it to owner on iPhone 15 on the latest ISO 26.1. So I'm going to fully bypass an iCloud account. So first of all, you need to buy the unlocking file from us. If you're interested in our unlocking file, you can WhatsApp me on this number and buy the unlocking file. If you don't have WhatsApp number, you can Telegram me on this number. If you don't have Telegram and WhatsApp, then you can email us on our email address. Email address is available in description link. It's easy to find us on WhatsApp. We are always available on WhatsApp, and you can buy the unlocking file. After buying the unlocking file, you need to just import the unlocking file to your PC or laptop to the 3G tool. It's also working with MacBook. Just import the unlocking file and click on flash. It will take like 5 to 10 minutes depend on your iPhone model, and your iPhone will be unlocked. So I'm using iPhone 15 on the latest ISO 26, and I'm going to fully bypass this iCloud account. If you need any help, you can WhatsApp me on this number and buy the unlocking file. We are always available, and you can contact us and buy the unlocking file. We will send you the download link on your WhatsApp, or you can ask for the email, so we can send you download link and you can download the iCloud unlocking file. Congratulations, retain user data has been completed. It will take like 5 to 10 minutes depending on your iPhone model, and then you can activate your iPhone iCloud account settings. Don't worry, the old iCloud is already gone with our unlocking file. If you need any help, you can WhatsApp me on this number and buy the unlocking file. Okay, so let's start. Select language. So I'm going to select English. You can select any country and follow the steps to activate your phone. It may take a few minutes to activate your phone. Your Wi-Fi is already connected because we have selected retain user data. In retain user data, old data is also available in your phone. If you see data and privacy, it's mean old iCloud is gone, and then you can activate your phone, or you can also enter the new iCloud account after data and privacy. Our iCloud is unlocked at 100% successfully. If you need any help, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number, or you can Telegram me on WhatsApp number. This service is not free. You need to buy the unlocking file from us. If you need any help, you can contact me and buy the unlocking file. Our flashing is already completed. Click on continue. Welcome to iPhone. Voila, iPhone 15 on the latest ISO 26 is unlocked, and now you can use your phone. Also, you can update or reset. You can enter the new iCloud account here. Everything will work fine. If you need any help, you can contact me. This is iPhone 15. Also, this method is working for iPhone 16 and 17. Or if you have any other iPhone device, you can also contact me and buy the unlocking file. This is iPhone 15 and now it's unlocked it. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you need any help, you can contact me. Take care. Bye bye.